Did you wait too long? Tell them that you love them.
Looking for heavy-duty truck hood lift supports?
Did you make too wrong?
Gastac provides replacement gas springs for Kenworth, Freightliner, Volvo, Mack, and international trucks.
Be the judge.
Our heavy-duty truck hood struts offer stable support and smooth lifting performance.
Darling,
They help keep truck hoods securely open during inspection and maintenance.
yeah. She asked me if I had another minute.
Gastac has over 20 years of gas spring manufacturing experience.
It's feeling like a cold dark winter in the sun.
With over 20 years of manufacturing experience, Gastac provides OEM replacement gas springs with consistent quality and competitive pricing.
One day I'll be everything.
Trusted by distributors, wholesalers, and truck parts suppliers worldwide for reliable heavy-duty truck gas springs.